Okay, now we have to choose the correct answer. Here we have number 1. The Amazon River is widest or wider than the Thames River. We are comparing two rivers, so we use the comparative. The Amazon River is wider than the Thames River. It is the wider or widest river in the world. We are comparing the Amazon River with all the rivers in the world. So it is the widest. The Amazon River is wider than the Thames River. It is the widest river in the world. Okay, now I'm not going to speak. You read, and then you decide, and we check together. Here we are comparing two mountains. So Mount Everest is higher than El Teide. And now I'm comparing all the mountains in the world. It is the highest mountain in the world. Comparative, comparing two. Superlative, comparing more than two. Try to do this one. Lake Baikal is deeper than Lake Tahoe. I'm comparing two lakes, so I use the comparative, deeper. It is the deepest lake in the world. I'm comparing all the lakes in the world, so I use the superlative.